Understanding Independence Day, a significant date in English-speaking countries. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we will focus on a topic that is not just significant in terms of language, but also culturally. We're going to learn about Independence Day, a crucial date celebrated in many English-speaking countries, including the United States. Independence Day, as the name suggests, is a day when a nation commemorates its independence. This means it's the day when a country became free from the control or power of another country. The most well-known Independence Day in the English-speaking world is probably that of the United States, celebrated on July 4th each year. On Independence Day, people typically celebrate with festivities like parades, fireworks, and barbecues. It's a day off work for many people and a time to celebrate with family and friends. Now let's look at how to use Independence Day in English sentences. This will help you practice your English and gain a better understanding of this important date. We're planning a big barbecue for Independence Day. Every year, we watch the fireworks on Independence Day. On July 4th, Americans celebrate Independence Day. While the United States Independence Day is the most commonly known in the English-speaking world, it's important to remember that other countries also celebrate their own days of independence. For instance, India celebrates its Independence Day on August 15th, and Mexico celebrates theirs on September 16th. Here are a few sentences that show how to mention these dates in English. India celebrates its Independence Day on August 15th. In Mexico, Independence Day is a major holiday on September 16th. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you now have a better understanding of what Independence Day means and how to use it in sentences. Remember, learning about significant dates and cultural events like Independence Day is a fantastic way to improve your English and your understanding of the cultures where English is spoken. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.